Well, we're going to enter here.
Order filled. Order filled.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Wesley Trades. Today's video is about the channel and the funded. We are now funded. We are a funded trader now, and I want to thank you guys for that. You guys have helped me consistently treat this like a job, and I love it. I got my certificate right here. Bang. As soon as I got that, I printed it so fast. You guys got a frame for it, and now we're hanging it on the floating shelf. Just like I said in one of my first videos, our Discord is now live. This is a live YouTube recording. I'm also live streaming this on Discord for any of you guys who like to watch me trade in the morning and see how I kind of go through my process in trading in the mornings. Yeah, we got 3 people in our Discord so far just by talking to people in our comments section, which is wicked. Super excited that you guys are willing to join a community like this. I just want to say thank you guys. Like, our channel is growing very fast, and it's pretty cool to see. A lot of the comments are very they motivate me quite a bit. What else? Mark, my roommate, he's also in the Discord. Feel free to talk to him whenever you guys want. But he's actually taking a 5K funded test on Fivers. I don't know if you guys know that broker, but it's another really good broker. It's something that I used to use. I failed a funded account test on that one, just a 10K, but that was 2 months ago now. Anyway, he is making some good trades recently. Just made his way back up to 5,000. He was in down draw for a little bit, but proud of him for working his way back. Now to trading. This is day number 1 of my funded account. I said I wasn't going to trade Monday or Tuesday in my previous week 2 recap video, but honestly, I had a few days to let the nerves calm down. So Saturday, Sunday after my Friday trade, and I feel like I'm in a good spot to look for something. And if I don't feel confident in any of my entries or anything, I just simply won't trade today. Now let's get to actual trading. So what do? First thing, notebook, take that out. What's your guys' strategy? What's your edge, right? So my strategy, what's my week 1 bias? I'm going to go through everything again because I am a trading robot. I do the same thing over and over and over again. Okay. We're looking a little bullish on the weekly, right? You guys would agree. We're looking bullish on the daily as well. Might just be in a little bit of a down draw here. Yeah, we're making a bearish candle in a bullish trend. Okay, so that is our weekly and 1-day bias. Check that off. I'm going to check that off in my notebook right now. Number 3, what are my 1-hour key levels? We have a high right here. There's a low down here. And this previous low, I would have drawn that out for a key level. Kind of gets hammered. Very good. What are some other things I see on the hourly as well? I see some fair value gaps underneath this key level. So if possible, if it were to return all the way down here and then tap into a fair value gap, that would be prime entry. But because the market, it's already 9:30, I'm not too sure if I would wait that long for that. So here's what we're looking at for the 1 hour. We could possibly be wicking currently for a 1-hour liquidity sweep through this little area right here. We could be wicking through here and creating a liquidity sweep, but we're just analyzing everything in the market right now. What are our 15-minute target areas? Let's look at that. What do we got for target areas? Right here. I'd love to see here. All right, so there's really only one target area. Maybe through here, and let's mark out this one as well. This low. Cool, those are our target areas. Very nice. So we're looking for a bullish entry. Before we do any of this, I talk about this lots. It's probably my main confluence now. Pretty sure you guys can guess what I'm gonna say. SMTs, love looking for them. I'll look for them on the 15-minute, 5-minute, and 1-minute. Do we find any SMT examples? I think I see one right now, actually. It's a bullish SMT, but we have a bearish outcome. So let's look for any bearish SMTs. Do we see any bearish SMTs in the 15-minute? Not really. Let's look at 5-minute as well, right? We can see it. It's pretty drastic, actually. Quite the drastic SMT. And then there's another one right here. Let's look at that. Never mind. These are relative equal lows. Okay. Let's just take a step back here. So these key levels that the S&P is at, let's go find them now for the NASDAQ. You guys are pretty lucky in Discord. A lot of this, like the video that I post on YouTube gets cut out. So I'm excited for you guys on Discord to see everything that happens and how long I actually take an analysis before I take a trade. Jason with a 4x trade. Very nice. Ew. And this is Mark's trade. Gold US dollar. Let's go through here. Making a new high here. Would love to see this fair value gap become an inverse and then trade through it just like so. Something like this, right? Make an inverse right here and then tap back into the inverse and up to target area. Would love to see that. We want to see good price action through this fair value gap that we're trading at on the 1 minute. A lot of my YouTube videos kind of cut the boring parts out of my trades, but right now we're seriously just letting the market do what it wants to do and we're going to let it develop. So yeah, here's the boring part of trading. You guys, we got to become
a robot.
So just trading into this 1 minute fair value gap right now, making a new low. If we continue bearish, if we continue to see it go bearish, I don't see us taking a trade today. Being patient, you guys. Not trading is still trading. I'm gonna say that so much. I'm gonna say it so often because it's really the truth, you guys. Not trading is still trading. I think I'm just gonna sit in the 2 windows just to look for SMTs here. The reason I'm looking for a trade on S&P 500 today and not NASDAQ, if you see this key level here on S&P, on the 1 hour, it looks like a liquidity sweep. And then on M&Q on 1 hour, here, let's just go to 1 hour. On M&Q, it really doesn't touch anything. Okay, so what I'm looking for here for an entry, this fair value gap, I believe holds a lot of liquidity, gets pretty rejected here and instantly kind of sells off. I would love to see us push through here and do something like this, like make a low here or something, because there's quite the fair value gap right here, and then break through it, maybe even make this an inverse, but I want to see this become an inverse for me to enter on anything. Okay, look at this, you guys. Inverse right here. Look at this candle. What the hell is going on? Super bullish. Like to see our bias kind of flourish here, you guys. These are some crazy candles that are popping out here on S&P. What would a risk reward like this be? If it was a low and then like maybe this low behind this fair value gap that seems to be respected every time it comes near, I would hold it below this low most likely, just for a 2.45 RR trade. Quite the bearish moves on no news Monday with a bullish bias. We see NASDAQ making relative equal lows right here. Just kind of playing around right now. Super bearish. I would love for it to tap something and just go ballistic, but that's a hard entry to catch. So we'll try our best. What would our risk reward look like on NASDAQ here? Enter there, right here. Stop below this low. A 4.3.
Order filled.
And we just bought S&P. Oh my God, why do I do that? All right, we're gonna enter. We are entered. Right here, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting pretty close to stop here. If we can just respect this fair value gap, I think we should do fine. That's why we have our stops quite below the fair value gap. Let's adjust our risk to 300 as well.
Order filled.
All right, stopped out, right? Quite the quick trade. And that is all I'm gonna be looking for today. We probably could have waited. Here, I'm gonna update my card here. Probably could have waited for a better entry and this pullback here, but I'm okay with that, honestly. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna enter here. Even though we're in a bearish fair value gap, we see a nice low be made here and then a skirt upward. I will be entering. Stops below this inverse. and targeting this high. 4 risk reward trade. And this is the last trade of the day for the 500 risk. But yes, we are bearish on the lower time frames. I'm just trying to catch the full move, which I might not. I might get stopped out here. So if that happens, that'll be the end for today.
Order filled.
And we get stopped out. That's it, you guys. 2 trades today, 2 losses.